This green goes to the contactor. There's a black and a white that both go up to the lamp. They go to the contactor. There's a line here that goes over to the contactor, which consists of a black and a white and a green. And these wires all plug into the lamp. We'll have to dissect that out. The capacitor is placed in with a snap clip, which I'm attempting to get out. First one got out very easily. Oops, I need a pair of pliers. Using a pair of pliers, I was able to get this out. There's no identification on it. We are now ready to try to remove this piece, and we're going to do some looking at it before we do anything. Alright, that was a cover for where the wires are going up into it. Next question is, how does this slide off? It appears to be welded. Using a flashlight, this housing piece is definitely, this plate right in here is welded to this, and I'm not seeing exactly where to pull this apart at. So I am going to see if I can gently work this piece off using the flathead screwdriver. I've popped the plastic cap off, and I may have chipped it, I'm not sure. We'll put all this back together the way it goes. I have photographs of everything. On the contactor that's gone bad, we have 3 wires, correction, 4 wires. We have a black wire at the very top back, coming 1 tier down. Back is a brown, followed by a blue, followed by a white. The ground screw we're not going to have to mess with at all. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently ease this thing off, and it is out. And this is the offending part. Now the question is, what is the part number? Oh, by George, we got a number. Alright, that completes this breakdown. The orientation on this thing, this is top, this is my brown black wire that I described a moment ago. The ordering numbers are right here. So brown or black, brown, blue, and white. I'm going to disconnect this. I'm going to get the numbers off of it outside, and then I'm going to put it back together and see if I can get a part ordered today from Amazon.